Okay, so this is Rua de Évora. So this is one of the main streets in this area. So we're just going to kind of walk down a little bit, and basically the lighting is just perfect. That's Flower City right there. We're going to take a look into that, and we're also going to maybe walk down that way a little bit as well. Just kind of show you this space, right? Especially when the lighting is kind of perfect like that. And that goes down to Central Park down that way as well. But yeah, that lighting is incredible. So let's check it all out. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so here's Evora. We could definitely go different directions. I think the most interesting one to go to first would be this direction. So let's do that. A lot of traffic down this way, so we're going to wait till that goes by. And now we're going to come down across here. There's Flower City down that way. Sorry. Supermarket down that way, sorry. Flower City is behind me. Rua de Coimbra, just to kind of give you some context. That goes down to Taipa Central Park, and it also goes down to IKEA. And there's a Nova City shopping mall is down that way too. This one, there's some more construction there at the end, the green one. It's the latest one. Lots of tall buildings in here, and then Flower City is the one across the way. So I'm gonna come down this way. Just gonna try to capture some of the lighting, and I think this is probably some of the best spot to catch it right at this moment, because the supermarket's really busy. So there's always people coming out of here. So I want to catch it while it's while the lighting is great and people are kind of moving around and such. Okay, so to the right is Fortress, which has a lot of appliances. And then this is a parking shop, which is a supermarket. So a lot of the traffic is trying to get into this particular place. And we'll just show you that real quick. There's also a Portuguese bakery right there. So yeah, people go into this parking shop. But this Portuguese bakery will have some really good breads. And right now it's buy one get one free. So they have all these. So all packaged and ready. I should get one, but yeah, so it's so they're about ready to close pretty soon. So it's buy one get one free from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. So I think maybe right now it's not quite 8 p.m. Usually there's a long line, so let me see what time it is. 6 o'clock. So it's weird. Okay. So what we're gonna do is just kind of continue down our Rua de Évora street. Just got 7-Eleven, Chamali, and we could walk all the way down to there, but yeah, that's kind of goes. That also goes down to Taipa Central Park, that one. And then down that way as well, so they both go down. But we're gonna keep going down Rua de Évora. And they have a lot of like egg puff and waffle. There's all these different shops in here, kind of like very entrepreneurial street. So like that one, you know, stuff like that. It's like, smells like kind of Indonesian style, that one. Also got like different these are like little milk tea shops. Have more down here as well. Cake shop, bakery. This one is like, I think that's kind of like duck as well. So you get all your fresh duck meat like that. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna continue down. This bakery is really popular right here. And It's a little bit dark, so I'm kind of debating. I think I'll go across the street. It's a little bit dark where the lighting will look great, but if I get into where it's darker, it won't look so good. So the end of the street would be there, which is Olympic Stadium. And way over there you can also see parts of China and Cotai arenas. There's an Olympic Stadium right over there as well. Try to capture the imagery. And we're gonna walk down this way a little bit. And then Flower City is right to the right. Sometimes I'll have like events here. Oh, there's some grand opening down there. Sometimes they'll have events on this street right here, so they'll have like they'll set up a little booth like that. And that one right there is a opening ceremony. So we're just gonna take a look at that real quick and just kind of see what we got. And we're gonna just take a look at that spot right here. So usually if you see all the flowers like that, it's usually a grand opening. So hello. What's the shop? Is it a new shop?
Yes, this is the music center.
Oh, the music center. Music and arts. Sounds really nice. Thank you. So they got a new music and arts center. Okay. That looks good. Thank you. So okay. So they'll put all the flowers in that situation when it's new. So it looks like they got a new music and art center. So if you have kids and you're live in Taipa area, that might be a good spot. Like really friendly. And down here, they'll have a park right here as well. So that park is Flower City Park. We're gonna come around like this, and yeah, this is another angle of the same park. So you can see they'll have, maybe we'll try to bring the camera in there and we'll just show you a little bit of what it looks like. I see a Korean restaurant, Korean shop over there. That one right there in Korean it says Hanguk Shikpum, which is like Korean shop, Korean convenience store maybe. Korean store, I guess. Okay. So beautiful tree. Kids play there. There's like goldfish skating for kids, and then a lot of adults will hang out over here, like in that little kiosk area. And then you have that beautiful wall mural right there. And could walk in a little bit. I guess it doesn't hurt to walk in a little bit. The lighting is, you can see the Galaxy Casino right there. So those are the Galaxy. Got a kiosk right here. And we're gonna kind of go up like that. Since it's nighttime, I'll kind of slow down a little bit. Oh, check out that bird right there. See it? Right in the middle of the city. You got goldfish right there as well. I don't know if you can see them in the camera lens, but you can see some. There's a turtle right there as well. It's kind of nighttime, so you might not be able to see them, but I think you can see it right there, and that one too. And then those are the casinos, so that's Taipa Grande. Like you can hike that trail up there, see the airport, overlook the casinos. That's One Thai, I think it's called. And then those are the casinos: Morpheus, Londoner, Phoenician, Galaxy. Somebody's doing exercises. Okay. Bamboo trees. bamboo trees. They're so beautiful. Then over here, looks like they cut off that path right there, but you usually could go through that. And over here, we'll probably see nothing. Bubble machines. So that's the kids, and we're gonna go that way. So that's a little touch of Flower City, which is right on Rua de Évora. Looks beautiful like that, right? Évora. Guardian. Ward off the evil spirits. Okay. So we are going to keep on going down Évora. And let's see, I don't know how far we'll go down, but we'll go down a little ways. And actually the lighting is just about right, so I think it's kind of a cool time to see the city, see what it looks like when it's like this particular time of the evening. So we started here. So this just kind of goes, you can see the casinos down that way. That's Flower City right there. There's a supermarket right there. The Portuguese bakery was over there as well. That's Rua de Coimbra that goes to the Nova shopping mall. You can walk there. It's about 4 blocks. 4 blocks maybe. Let's see, 4 blocks. Okay. So we'll keep on going. Got a supermarket there, or a restaurant. So, okay. There's another supermarket there, so a lot of people will go there too. Let's see. He's gonna pull there. Let's see. So I think what we're gonna try to do is go into that supermarket. Not into it, but towards it. Just so you can see all the variation, just even on Evora Street. So yeah, so this one you basically have a little supermarket in here. Then you got like Japanese right there, Taishio, veggie, flower shop. Let me just go all the way down. So we'll go down and then we'll go out on the left. There's a flower shop right there as well. Then you can kind of see there's that goes all the way to Flower City if you go all the way down that way. So directly that way is Flower City. The supermarket. Now what we're gonna do is go down this way. And then I'm gonna go to the left and go back to Evora Street. That way you get a full context of different stuff that's in this on the street, that's this off of the street. So there's a nice restaurant, Café de Fei Choi. So we're gonna head this way. So that goes down to Taipa Village. The lighting is just right. You can see some of these kind of cool stuff like that. European statues. And we're gonna head up this way. You got a dining space there. Huh. That is closed and new place. And then this one is kind of like Hong Kong style, but sometimes they also call it Macau style, so I don't know. But when I see those neon lights like that, I usually think like Hong Kong style restaurant. Okay. So Evora Street is right here. It's pretty cool. And it's also down here too. So I think what we're gonna do is just go down a little bit further, go all the way down to the end of the street. the lighting is just about right. So there's the Bank of China right there. Let's do a quick 360 here. Evora. And we'll just keep going down Évora. Bank of China. And then straight at the end, there's a, we'll come to the end of the street, and then that building has all the green scaffolding on it. That is newly constructed. They had a really deep foundation, like maybe right around the beginning of COVID about 3 years ago. And it looked like it was going to be a tall building, and it is. And now it's looks like it's okay. There's I can see these markers on it. I don't know if you can see them as well, but I can see one that says, like, in red and white, it says 10, 15, 20, 25. So there's at least 25 stories. And it looks like they're still building up at the top, so maybe it'll keep going. So it's at least a 25-story, 30-story. 25 is marked, and then it's not marked 30 yet at the top. But I'll take a look up there in a second. But yeah, you can see it says 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and then the crane is still going up. And there's also a second crane as well, or a second building. Let's come around here real quick. So there they are. So there's both buildings. And it goes all the way down to that gas station. So before that was empty, there was nothing there. And then this goes to, this is Sun Yat-sen Avenue. So kind of cool. Okay, so that's Évora Street. So we're going to end our street. We'll just walk across real quick, show you from this angle, and then we're going to end it. Évora. Hope you like it. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.